Someone needs to tell Regis Matambo, aka Kuda Tagwirei, the truth. Money alone does not make a president. Sadapenda mashoko ari kuda pangwa ina ari kuonekwa kunzi the individuals vakaita sana Kuda Tagwirei vanokwa kunzi these are philanthropists, vanhu vane mariches, people who have made money. Means vanhu dzaunoona kuti havanyatsi kusununguka nadzo uye havana kufara nadzo nokuda kwokuti dzinoita kuti vamwe vanhu vatsikirirwe but ivo vachiramba vari prominent. Sadapenda mashoko amudanyikwa pangwa ina ndobva subscribe like kuti on the bell icon. Chipausa rwano kudanyira chiti the president of Zimbabwe demands charisma and ability to walk into a room and command it without an envelope. It demands courage, the ability to stand before the hostile crowd and hold your position. It demands conviction, the ability to articulate a vision that moves people beyond what they can personally gain from you. Tagwirei has none of these things. He is not charismatic, he does not convince, he does not inspire, and no amount of church hopping, parallel youth structures, farm visits with foreign presidents or business empires changes that fundamental reality. You cannot buy presidential bearing. Zimbabwe's presidency has been held by men forced in struggle at detention cells, in the bush, on the battlefield. Tagwirei was forced in a boardroom. That is not the same thing. The people of Zimbabwe know the difference between a leader and a financier seeking a return on political investment. Ameno akamunyepera kuti unzi uri munhu wevanhu unofanira kudzana pasi. Tagwirei ngamiswe. The presence is not for sale. Anoposta this picture atoona Kuda Tagwirei achitamba and achidonata mari dzichiiswa muhari. Vina comment section yedu dzafungira imoto kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musama subscribe or like, watch and on the bell icon.